Market research can feel overwhelming for small business owners and entrepreneurs, but with AI, it doesn't have to be. Today, I'll show you how to use 3 AI tools, Google Trends, ChatGPT, and SEMrush, to uncover customer insights, track trends, and analyze competitors, all in under 5 minutes. Let's jump right to it. First, let's use Google Trends to identify what your customers care about. Open Google Trends and type in a keyword related to your business. For example, let's use vegan snacks. Second, adjust the region to your target area, like your city or state, to see local data. Third, use the time filter to identify trends over specific periods, like the past month or year. Let's say searches for vegan protein bars spike every January. This tells you when to stock up and promote those products. Next, we'll use ChatGPT to create a quick customer survey and analyze responses. Step 1, type a prompt like this. Write 5 survey questions to understand why customers prefer local businesses. Step 2, once you gather responses, paste them back into ChatGPT with a prompt like summarize the survey results and identify the top 3 customer preferences. Say, for example, you learn that your customers value sustainability and community engagement. Use this insight to shape your messaging and offering. Finally, let's use SEMrush to analyze your competitors. 1, enter a competitor's website into SEMrush. 2, look at their top ranking keywords, popular pages, and backlinks. 3, compare their strategies to your own and identify areas where you can stand out. So for example, if a competitor focuses on high-end products, you might position yourself as a budget-friendly alternative. And that's it. With Google Trends, ChatGPT, and SEMrush, you've got a complete toolkit for market research that's fast, affordable, and effective. Want to learn more about how these tools can transform your business? Schedule a free 15-minute one-on-one consultation at investinyourself101.com. Don't forget to like and follow for more actionable AI tips.